Hello and welcome to Hideship. In this tutorial, we'll see how to offer specific shipping rates in Shopify checkout for those clients who are from a specific area using the zip codes in Hideship. Let's get started with this simple and quick process. From your Hideship dashboard, click on Create Customization on the top right of the page. In the pop-up window, select Simple Customization. In the Condition field, scroll down and under the shipping group, choose Zip Codes. Now is time to choose if you want to apply the rule for all customers that have this zip code, or if they don't have this zip code, and you can simply select Contain or Not Contain, and then select what zip code you want to select by the button Add Zip Code here. In our example, we use 63100. Remember that you can add as many zip code as you want, simply using a comma between the zip codes, just like I'm doing it here in this rule. You also have the possibility to target multiple zip codes using the asterisk symbol. If you add asterisk symbol at the end of a partial zip code, it will cover all matches that start with the partial number you used. In this example, 202 asterisk will cover all the zip codes that start with 202, like 20201, 202 BT4, and more. In the Hide, Sort, or Rename shipping methods, you'll find a list of popular methods. Here you can hide any methods you don't want to offer and keep only the ones you prefer. To hide a method, simply toggle the button on its right. Each method with the button on will be hidden. To sort is enough to drag and drop the method where you want, like this. To rename, click here on the Rename option and fill in the name you want to use. Nothing more than this. Once you are satisfied with your setting, click Save. The rule is now active. Let's test if it works correctly. In our store, pick up any product and move on to the checkout page. Here we need to fill in the address information, and as soon as we fill in the chosen zip code, you can see the method-free shipping disappearing as we wanted. And that's how simple is it. With Hideship, managing and sorting shipping rates based on the zip codes in Shopify checkout is effortless and efficient, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Don't wait any longer. Install Hideship and try out all its potential now. And remember, you have a 7-day free trial period with each plan you choose at no cost at all.